Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, where technology meets passion and performance takes center stage. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most awaited budget-friendly smartphones of 2025, the brand new OPPO A5 2025. If you're someone who loves a sleek design, powerful performance, and long battery life without burning a hole in your pocket, then stay tuned because this phone might just be your next favorite companion. Let's start with the design. OPPO has once again proven that even mid-range phones can look stunning. The OPPO A5 2025 comes with a beautiful glass-like back finish that reflects light in a mesmerizing way, making it look premium from every angle. It's slim, lightweight, and feels comfortable to hold, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just scrolling through social media. The frame is metallic in appearance, giving it that flagship-level vibe. The phone is available in three eye-catching colors: crystal blue, midnight black, and pearl white, each with its own stylish appeal. Now, when we talk about performance, OPPO has really stepped up. The A5 2025 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G processor, making it ultra-smooth and efficient. You can multitask effortlessly, switching between apps, playing games, or streaming videos, all without any lag. It's supported by 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, giving you enough space for all your photos, apps, and videos. The 5G connectivity ensures lightning-fast internet speeds, so downloads, uploads, and streaming all feel instant. The display is another major highlight, a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling, gaming, and video playback are incredibly fluid. The colors pop beautifully, the blacks are deep, and the brightness level is great even under direct sunlight. Whether you're watching Netflix, editing photos, or gaming, the OPPO A5's display delivers an immersive experience that truly stands out in this price segment. When it comes to the camera setup, OPPO has given users something really special. The phone features a 64-megapixels main camera, an 8-megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixels depth sensor, delivering sharp, vibrant, and well-balanced photos in all lighting conditions. Portraits come out beautifully with excellent background blur, and the night mode is surprisingly impressive for a phone in this category. The 32-megapixels front camera ensures your selfies are always bright and detailed, even in low light, making it perfect for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts. AI enhancement adds natural beauty effects without overdoing it, keeping your photos realistic yet flattering. Battery life is another area where the OPPO A5 2025 shines. It packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use, gaming, social media, calls, and video streaming included. And with 67W SUPERVOOC fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 45 minutes. That means less time waiting and more time doing what you love. On the software side, it runs on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, which is smoother, cleaner, and smarter than ever. The customization options are endless, from themes and icons to gestures and privacy controls. OPPO has also improved its AI optimization, which learns your app habits to give you faster performance and better battery management over time. Sound quality is another plus. The stereo speakers with Dirac audio enhancement give you loud, clear, and crisp sound, whether you're watching videos or gaming. And for gamers, the Game Mode 3.0 ensures no distractions with boosted performance and focused gameplay. Security-wise, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock, both of which work fast and accurately. OPPO has also added improved privacy features, letting you control app permissions and data sharing with ease. So, should you buy the OPPO A5 2025? Absolutely. If you're looking for a well-rounded smartphone that delivers flagship-like performance, elegant design, strong cameras, and long battery life at a mid-range price, this phone ticks all the boxes. OPPO has perfectly balanced style, speed, and smart features to create a device that's ideal for everyday use as well as entertainment. The OPPO A5 2025 is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a powerful, premium smartphone experience. It's stylish, fast, and built for the future with 5G, a perfect all-rounder for students, professionals, and tech lovers alike. So if you're planning to upgrade, this might just be your best pick for 2025. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Smartphone, and stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews coming your way soon.